So now I'm ready to put the white cement down, then I'm going to stain. Here I've painted this room, textured the walls, replaced all the outlets, patched that hole down there in the corner, and here's a new outlet. Painted the walls obviously. So to get to this point, I'm at 60 hours so far in this room. Probably about another 20 hours to maybe 15 to finish that floor. And also, I'll go show a shot on the other side. So this is the laundry room, looking away from it, and you know, be noticeable here, but that floor, beyond that line there, that floor slopes. From the left, in the kitchen, it's level. And as you approach the door here to the right, it drops down probably about 2 inches. And then back with the rest of that room way back there. So I'm going to level this floor except on the approach to the door, because I'm not going to go above the threshold of the door there. So this little section right here will have a little bit of a slope maybe as you get towards the door. But in that other half of the room over there, I'm going to level it, and which means on the right side that's going to come up about 2 inches.